The craziest thing is unfolding right now in the background. The most profitable whale who actually shorted Bitcoin and Ethereum and made $10 million in profit, he is now also short Bitcoin. He just entered into a short yesterday worth $430 million worth of Bitcoin, 5,149. And there's now a coordinated effort to try to liquidate this massive whale. So this liquidation price currently is at $86,000. Guys, today I need to go through what actually happened yesterday. It's absolutely crazy. Justin Sun is also potentially involved in this and trying to liquidate this whale. So guys, make sure to stick around from the beginning until the end of this video. We'll talk about the short-term price action for Bitcoin and altcoins and everything else you need to know about. Welcome back, everybody. My name is Chris, bringing you cryptocurrency videos every day, teaching you how to make money in this market. If you're new to the channel, then make sure to subscribe and activate the bell right now. So first, quickly on the short term for Bitcoin, you can see that we're starting to roll over again a little bit here. Yesterday, we actually pumped as high as, what is that, $85,300. Not a massive pump, but at the very least it was something. And the reason why we pumped here, I will talk you through that here in a bit. But we have now the support, like you know, at $81,700. And if we flip on the moving averages, you can see that we are right now also having the 50-day moving average as resistance. So yeah, Bitcoin is just grinding slowly right now. Not a lot of volatility here after seeing a prolonged downtrend. This bounce is slowly starting to go up, but we will see here, guys. If you look at the Lux algo, a lot of people are asking me, what is the Lux algo telling us? Well, you know that I generally use only the buy signals on the daily time frame with my settings for the Lux algo, because every single time we've had the buy signal or the bullish signal for the Lux algo on the daily time frame, we have always either gone up in the short term or in the long term. So we've either at least had a nice bounce, which we can then take profit on, or we have had something like, let me see here, something like this, where it is the start of a massive bull market or a massive bullish trend, and we go up towards the upside. So same thing here, you can see the bullish signal flashed, yes, and we still had the opportunity to get in at a higher price here. It flashed at 66,000, and we were able to, at $70,000, go up. Here it flashed at around $63,000, and we were able to get out at 72. So you can see how this continues. Anyway, so people are asking me about the Lux algo. Now, I don't usually use the bearish signals here for the Lux algo because the bullish signals are more accurate. But if we look at the bearish signals as well, I will flip them on here. You can see that it gave us a bearish signal here right at $96,000. So for everyone that were using the Lux algo, you did get this signal right here. But the sell signal or the bearish signals, really, they are a little bit hit and miss. But the bullish signals are much more accurate. In fact, the bullish signals so far throughout the history of me using the Lux algo has always, at least in the short term, given us a good opportunity to get out. So we went up in the short term. Or it also went up in the long term, meaning a start of a massive bullish trend. Anyway, so this is what the Lux algo is telling us right now. As soon as we get a bullish signal for the Lux algo, I will of course let you know. So we'll turn away the bearish signals here and we go back to this view here. And of course, if you want to get the Lux algo yourself, you do have the link down in the description here. Let me see. So here we have it under the exchanges. So Lux algo, you get a discount if you use this link right here if you want to use it yourself. Okay, so that is for the Lux algo. In general, we are kind of in like a wait and see situation right now for Bitcoin. I'm still bullish long term. I still believe that in 2026 we're going to reach a peak much higher than where we are at right now. So yeah, that is my base case here. Now, Ethereum has been going down, sideways action for Ethereum, trying to stay above my support level here at 1,000, I call it 1,900. Solana, same thing here with Solana. We got rejected off of my trend line 1 to 3 times and decent chunk towards the downside here. And yeah, at least we're making higher highs and higher lows here on the daily time frame for Solana, so let us keep our eyes on that. For Doge, not really interesting here. Doge just slightly going towards the upside. Cardano also going sideways here. XRP continues to get rejected off of my $2.40 level here, so let us keep our eyes on that. For traditional markets, we saw a little bit, this is the futures market, so it opened up Sunday evening, so last evening, and they started to go down a little bit here, which worries a lot of people. But let's see how this is going to turn out when they open. One thing we know is that this week is going to be volatile. This week is going to be very, very volatile, especially when you look at things that has been happening here with this massive whale, which is going to also lead into massive volatility. Now, before I talk about this and why it is important, if you look at my trading strategies right now, I am down $745,000 on the current batch of bots. And I'm starting to also add more, for everyone that wants to add a short hedge to the altcoins. I'm almost done with them today. It is going to be done. And then I will add all of the links here to the short bots as well for these altcoins if you want to short them, or if you want to add a short hedge like I have done here for Ethereum. And Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and Doge here. Didn't add it yet for XRP and Cardano. But yes, you can look out for that. So things are still, in my opinion, going pretty well, although it looks very ugly, of course, with minus $750,000 at a loss. But I am convinced come the end, like at 2026, this is going to be extremely green. So as always, guys, I show you everything here on the channel. And if you want to use my trading strategies yourself, go down to the description of this video. First, sign up to Pionex using this link. Claim the deposit bonuses using this link, and then you can copy my long strategies using these links, and then you can copy my short strategies using these links, and you can go to this document to get all of the other altcoins as well. Let us continue. So the massive whale that shorted Ethereum and Bitcoin a few, what was that, like 2 days ago, he made, as we know, let me see here, we zoom out, at the peak here, he had made about $10 million of profit. And now everyone started to follow what this whale is doing. And why do we see all of the actions here from this whale? Because he is trading on Hyperliquid, which is DEX, so everything is public. So he's shorting Bitcoin right now on the DEX here. So if you look at the history, if I go to the weekly time frame and even the monthly time frame, you can see there was no history on this wallet up until the 10th of March. And then if we zoom in a little bit more, here's the 10th of March. He made $2.2 million of a profit. I believe this is when he shorted Ethereum. And then the profit continued. He closed out this trade. But now he did enter, just yesterday, he did enter into a massive $430 million short for Bitcoin. And then what happened is that a group of people, so the liquidation price was originally at $85,000 or 85,000 and something. So a group of people came out and said that let us hunt down this whale. So did he show the liquidation price here? No, on this screenshot he didn't show it. But anyway, he said drop me a DM if you have a lot of money and you want to liquidate this whale. And apparently Justin Sun also got into this. So so this guy wanted to liquidate the whale, and what then happened is that immediately Bitcoin actually, if we go to the hourly time frame, when that was announced, Bitcoin pumped, let me see here. Yeah, so this one right here. So Bitcoin actually pumped all the way up here, up from 83,300 up to 85,130. The only issue here is that the whale actually, and this is very dramatic, the whale added more margin in time to make sure that he did not get liquidated. So he added $10 million worth of margin here. So this effort actually did not manage to liquidate the whale. So we pumped, but then we dropped. And in general, this whale is at a profit of $3.49 million. Absolutely incredible. Now, what he did thereafter is he also went into a long with Melania, and this was probably manipulation. Well, you can see that the unrealized loss here for Melania is $8,000. So more or less at break even. Not sure if he's been taking a little bit of profit on this one. Let me see here. Yeah, okay, so he did close out portions of this position here. I'm sure there is a very good way to see if he is at a general profit or a general loss here. For Melania, I would assume that he is at a general profit. But anyway, for the Bitcoin open position that he has. Like I said, $427 million, but this is also a cause for volatility. Not only do we have all of the things with the trade war, and by the way, guys, today also there's news about the Ukraine ceasefire. Donald Trump has said that today, Monday, we will have more news on this, and then add in this massive whale. And a lot of people are saying that this whale must know something because he was profitable on the previous short. And now he's profitable on this Bitcoin long, but also the sheer size of this is crazy. One thing we have to keep in mind here is that we don't know what this whale is doing on centralized exchanges. So he could go short here and he could go long on other exchanges to hedge that position. So that is the first thing we need to understand. Second thing we need to understand is that he had an original liquidation price of 85,000 something, okay? And it was very close. I mean, all it would take is a bullish comment by Donald Trump for Bitcoin, and he will get absolutely wrecked here on all of this money. So does he know something? Maybe, but also either way, he's taking huge amounts of risk here. But then again, also we don't know what he is doing on other exchanges and with other wallets. Maybe he is hedging these positions using other wallets. But anyway, this is unfolding right now, and I will keep you updated on whatever is happening with this massive whale. One final thing I want to leave you with here is that wealthy individuals are rushing into US stocks. So wealthy individuals are accumulating and adding incredible amounts of money right here. And we haven't seen this. So if you look at the percentage of wealthy individuals buying stocks, we have not seen this essentially since September 2022 is a peak here, and January 21. And these coincided with previous bottoms. So wealthy individuals, they are accumulating right now like crazy, and whenever you've seen this in the past, typically it leads into a bottom and we tend to go up after that. Guys, this is what I got for you. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.